how to schedule Facebook story. In this video, I'll be taking us through how we can schedule our Facebook story. And if you're just coming across this and you are wondering what is scheduling all about, when you schedule a post, it saves you time, energy, stress, and so many other things. And it also gives you ability to be visible online. Whenever you schedule your post, you will be able to post at any time, even when we are not online, even when we don't have data. In as much as you've scheduled the post, Facebook is going to automatically paste your posts come to life on your page or on your profile, in as much as you have scheduled it. So for this particular video, and in this particular video, we'll be looking at how we can schedule using our business meta suite. For those who don't know what is called business meta suite, this app here, you can see it. This is the app we call business meta suite. So click on it, and if you don't have it, you can also download it from Play Store or Google Store, whatsoever store you are using on your phone. So once you get to this place, you come down to where you have story, and it will load up this interface for you. Here you will be having text. You can see I have music and I have templates. So anyone you want to upload, that you want to post at any time, is what you will pick here. So first of all, we are going to go into using a text. So you click on this text, it will take you down to this place where you need to type in the text that you want to schedule. So let me schedule a text for a Sunday morning. Let me just type happy Sunday to you all. You can see I've done that. So I don't want the happy Sunday to have music or anything here, because I don't want to have copyright. The next thing is I'll click on next. So once you click on next, it will take you to this particular interface. If I'm to publish this post now at this particular time that I'm making this video, I will just click on share, it will go. But I want to schedule it, which is why I am making this video. So you come to schedule right here and click on this schedule. Then this box will pop up for you. Once this box pops up for you, you click on where you have today. Click on it like this, and it will take you to your calendar where you need to fix that particular date that you want this particular post to drop. So today is Saturday, 10th of January, and I want this post to drop tomorrow, which is Sunday. I'll click on Sunday, which is 11th. Then I'll click on OK. Once you click on OK, you've picked a day. So let's assume I want this post to drop on the 15th. I will come here and pick on the 15th and click on OK. If I want it to drop on the 16th, I'll pick on that date. So here you click OK, then it will take you back to this place where you need to pick the time, that actual time that you want that post to drop on your page. So you click on this arrow here for you to pick the time. So the time I want this to paste on my page is by 6:15 in the morning, and then I'll click on OK. Once I click on OK, I have fixed the time like this. Then the next thing is for me to click on schedule. Once you click on schedule, it will take you here, and you're going to see that date. Tomorrow at 6:15 a.m. my post is going to drop. So it has set it like this. This is correct. Then I'll click on schedule, and it will schedule my post. You can see these are some other posts that I have scheduled. So if you are seeing those content creators who post 8, 10, 15, 20 posts a day, this is the source of what they do. With this, you can post as many as possible posts that you want to make when you have that particular time So right now we'll go again and make another story. Don't forget, this is not a post, it is a story post that we are making. A normal Facebook post is different from story post. I already made a video on how to schedule Facebook posts, so if you need that also, drop it in the comment section so I can drop the link for you. So right now what you need to do is to, let's go again and click on story. It will take you here. This time around I want to upload a video, so I will come here. So what you need to do is to pick that video and click on next. So I'll pick the video now and next, then it will take me to this place. Then I'll come to schedule again and fix the day that I want this post to go live, and also fix the time. So let's go to time. You pick, I want this video to drop on Monday morning, so I'll be picking Monday. Then I'll click on OK. Then come to this time and pick that particular time that I want the video to drop. Then I'll click on OK and then click on schedule. So like this, I am scheduling this particular video post for Monday morning at 6:15 a.m. So right now I have scheduled this particular video also. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop your comments in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe and check out other videos on how you can grow your Facebook page or Facebook profile all by yourself. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.